So guys, we just came out of the car rental. We have our new car, so you know guys, we are in Dubai. We have to rent out an exotic car. So we rented out a Bentley, guys. Look at this Bentley. Look at this thing, guys. Hand-stitched leather seats inside there. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Oh, look at this interior. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Full size sedan. Beautiful, clearly English made vehicle. And you know, you'd love a budget sticker on your Bentley, of course. So guys, this is gonna be the whip for this Dubai trip. One of the coolest buildings I've seen. Look at those patterns. Guys, it's currently nighttime here in the United Arab Emirates. And guys, it's like 40 degrees Celsius. It's so freaking warm. It feels like a sauna. It feels like the sun's out, but the sun is actually not out. It's nighttime. What? Just got myself some classic Dubai shawarmas. Best photography rig in the world.
How was your stay? Was everything okay? Okay.
I mean, I love this hotel. It's a great hotel, but the room is absolutely garbage, guys. Like, look at this. What is this view? There's literally nothing here. So we asked for an upgrade, and you know what, guys? They gave us an upgrade. We're getting upgraded to the 10th floor with like a pool view as well. Yeah, I mean, like, this room is kind of depressing. So look, there's literally nothing to view here. It's just gloomy and boring. So we're getting moved to a much higher room, much better room. This is the new room. Let's see the view. Is it any better? And yes, guys, it is a lot better, guys. This is what I came here for. The amazing pool view, and especially, guys, when the sun's out. Oh my god, guys, it's gonna be crazy. So, should I do a quick room tour for the vlog? Yeah, I think so. Let's do a quick room tour. So, this is the amazing, beautiful washroom. Look at this, guys. God damn. There's a bathtub here. Beautiful bathtub. There's a beautiful sink. And then there's more stuff here. This is the shower. Really cool, right? Look at this shower head. This is the shower. This is the toilet. This is the toilet in here. This is a quick review of the washroom. And then, guys, look how sick this is. There's a hidden compartment right here. You open it up, bada boom. Look what you get, guys. Complimentary water. Get yourself some coffee. Of course, who doesn't love themselves some coffee? And there's another secret compartment over here. That's where you store your clothes, store your things, safe. And then this is the bed. This is where you sleep. And that's practically it. This is where I'll be staying for now. Look at this, guys. 10th floor. Here we go.